Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout in Windows 10. Adjusting the screen lock timeout settings on a Windows 10 laptop helps balance security and convenience, ensuring that the device locks promptly when idle to prevent unauthorized access, while also minimizing interruptions during active usage. So let's start the video. To increase or decrease screen timeout in Windows 10, right-click on the Start menu icon and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on the System option. On the left sidebar, click on Power and Sleep. Here you will find settings related to when the screen turns off. Under Screen, you will see options to adjust when your screen turns off while your device is running on battery and when it's plugged in. Simply click on the drop-down menu to select the desired time interval for your screen timeout. You can choose Never if you want your screen to stay on indefinitely. Once you have made your selection, simply close the settings window. Your screen timeout settings have been successfully adjusted. So that's how to change screen timeout in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.